Good afternoon, Watauga. It's Wednesday, December 30th, 2020, and it's time for my final COVID update for the year 2020. Today I'll start with the national and state numbers. Nationally, 19,745,119 cases with 341,801 deaths, 8,681,767 recovered. Texas, we're number 2 in the country for new cases with 1,735,809. We've had 27,499 deaths and 1,387,354 recoveries. Tarrant County, we're at 146,888 total cases. That's an increase of 41,213 since my last update on December 4th. And that's a huge increase, taking the previous daily average from 381 to 1,596. We've had 1,609 new cases today, 1,468 deaths, which is more than doubled since my last update, and 107,676 recovered. Tarrant County, we are now number 3 in the state for positive cases and number 12 nationally. Our fatality rate is just over 1%. Hospital bed utilization for COVID patients is at 28%. It was 18% at my last update, and overall hospital bed utilization is 87%, up from 82%. You can see the Tarrant County website for a complete breakdown of age, race, and gender. Watauga, our numbers are up 48%. We're at 1,460 positive cases, 1,036 recovered, and 10 deaths. So as you can see, the numbers all around have increased dramatically, and it's very concerning. Hospitals, they still have capacity, but they are running into staffing problems. The new restrictions put in place at the beginning of December, they remain in place. Masks, social distancing, and hygiene are still the key to slowing the spread. So please continue with the masks, observe the social distancing, and avoid crowds whenever possible. And as I've mentioned before, if you can't avoid the crowds, please be responsible. It is making a difference. So thanks again to everybody for your compliance and your continued support. Now on to some good news. The vaccines are here and they're being distributed. See the Tarrant County Public Health website for details on getting your vaccine. Congress, they've okayed a new round of stimulus checks, and although it's not as much as some would have liked, there's still a slim chance that the Senate will increase the amount. We'll just have to wait and see. All the programs I've mentioned during my previous updates are still out there. We have the CARES Act, the CARES for Tarrant, and we have the Texas Eviction Diversion Program. Also, the National Eviction Moratorium has been extended through January 31st. City services. The city has taken a proactive stance in anticipation of a post-holiday spike in COVID cases. City Hall, they'll be closed to the public till the 11th of January. Recreation Center closed to the public. They will continue with their meal services. Public Works by appointment only. Animal Control by appointment only. Our library, curbside only. Police Department and Fire Department, they remain open. All departments will be staffed during their normal business hours. And as I said, that's through January 11th. All council and board meetings for the month of January are now planned to be virtual, but will be subject to change. And with that, I'll remind you once again that family, friends, and neighbors are what makes Watauga a great place to live. I want to wish a Happy New Year to everybody. And remember, if you're going to go to any parties or have people over, please be responsible with your social distancing and your masks. Again, Happy New Year and have a great weekend.